Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Slack app to dark mode on desktop in just a few simple steps. Dark mode is great for reducing eye strain, especially when working late at night. If you love the dark theme, this one is for you. Let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your desktop and make sure you are logged into your workspace. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner, then click on Preferences. From the drop-down menu, select Appearance. Under the Color Mode section, you will see three options: Light, Dark, and System. Click Dark Mode and Slack will instantly switch to a darker theme. If you want to switch back to Light Mode, select Light. And if you want Slack to match your system's theme automatically, choose System instead. This way, Slack will adjust based on your computer's setting. And that's it. Your Slack is now in dark mode, giving your workspace a sleek and comfortable look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. And also let me know in the comments, do you prefer light mode or dark mode? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.